Good day, everyone. Today, we are kicking off an exciting exploration into the digital trading world with an exclusive focus on an incredible opportunity, the Bingx sign-up bonus. Let's dive into what Bingx offers to its new users. With Bingx, you're not just entering a new trading platform, you're stepping into a world of opportunities. And to sweeten the deal, Bingx provides a sign-up bonus for newcomers. But wait, there's more. Using the referral code CHUCHU when you sign up, you unlock additional advantages. Here are some of the perks you can expect. 1. Bonus credit. By signing up with Bingx using the referral code CHUCHU, you instantly receive bonus credit added to your account. This gives you a head start in your trading journey without having to invest your own capital up front. 2. Enhanced rewards. Not only do you receive a sign-up bonus, but you also become eligible for exclusive rewards and promotions that are only available to those who use referral codes, like CHUCHU. 3. VIP experience. With that extra push from the sign-up bonus, you might quickly elevate your status to VIP levels, granting you access to privileged trading features, reduced fees, and personalized support. 4. Networking and referral programs. Bingx's referral program allows you to share your unique referral code. Each time someone signs up using your code, like CHUCHU, you benefit from their success, creating a network of mutual gains. So, take that first step into the world of crypto and futures trading with Bingx to claim your sign-up bonus and unlock these enticing benefits. 1. Visit the Bingx website. 2. Sign up for a new account, ensuring you enter the referral code CHUCHU when prompted during registration. 3. Complete your account setup and verify your identity to access the platform fully. Remember, this isn't just about a one-time bonus. It's about embracing a trading ecosystem where every step you take is supported by the community, including features like CHUCHU, which helps you and others grow together in the world of digital finance. Why hesitate? Sign up today, use the code CHUCHU, and start trading on Bingx with an added advantage. Your journey to financial empowerment starts now. Thank you for watching and happy trading.